Hello, welcome back. Today we will understand use of Google Translate, which is also available in Google Sheet. So let us understand the situation. Many times we have to write instruction in regional languages also. So in this situation we can use Google Translate service to translate text from one language to another. So let us understand how we can do it. Let us convert English to Gujarati. So let us write Google Translate English to Gujarati. I write here my English message. So we can see that we can translate message from English to Gujarati. Here if I select another language, say Hindi, message will be converted into Hindi language. This approach we can use when we have to convert one or two instruction into different language, but many a times we have set of instructions or we have set of text which we want to convert into other languages. So in this situation Google Sheet is very useful. The best example is many times we have different addresses which we want to convert into regional languages. For example, there is some social function, birthday celebration or marriage function, so we prefer to write addresses into regional language. So here I have shown an example of address which we have in English, we convert it into Hindi and Gujarati. So let us understand how we can do that. Let us understand the function. So function that we use is Google Translate. So you can see it here how we use it. We write Google Translate. The first parameter is what text we want to convert. So here I've selected address in English language. Then I specify my source language. So here it is English. So the code for the English is EN. Now I want to convert it into Hindi. Code for Hindi is HI. And using this I can convert any text from English to Hindi. Same way I can do it for Gujarati. So for Gujarati the code is GU. So now when we have many addresses, you have to just write addresses here and automatically we can convert into desired language. Let us see few other addresses. So there is a site from which I can get random addresses. So let us select that site and type that URL here. So we'll get random addresses. So the site is basedrandoms.com. So from this site we can get addresses available in India, any random address. So let us select any one address. For example, I select this one and I'm going to convert it into other language. So write it here. I write it here. Now you'll see that as I'm typing, the address will be converted into regional language. Now here I can put appropriate new line. So for that we have to enter, control enter. Here also I write control enter. Now hit enter key, you'll see it will be converted into regional language. Now let us see what all different languages are supported. You can visit this URL and on this web page what all different languages are supported, it is listed. So we can see it, what different languages are available. We can see here name of language and corresponding code. You can see what different languages are supported. So for example, we discuss about English, code is EN. For Gujarati the code is GU. Same way we can see for all different languages. So when we have many text that we want to translate from one language to another, this Google Translate becomes very useful. This is available as part of Google Sheet, so we can work on many cells using Google Translate.